They're very, hot, anything. So we would like to make a toast to a woman who said she is so proud to say she's contented with her life now. For one, you listen to my statements because this is very important, dear and near to her heart. For one, she's very happy that Lee is now pursuing a very in-demand course on computer cyber security. I think it's following Dad's footsteps. And a birthday toast to a woman who said her newly set of teeth gives her the confidence to smile from end to end. I don't know if I have the permission to say how much it is, but all I know is I can buy a new car. Okay? Thank you for the faucet that never misses its flowing pleasure. You know what I mean? And this is the most important thing. Birthday toast to a woman who feels very complete because her Habibi Tommy is here celebrating her birthday today. Okay? So let's toast and raise your glasses, your soda, and say cheers and happy birthday!